So I'm going to talk to you now about moving to the cloud. It's a very common topic now. Most organisations are adopting a cloud strategy and they're moving their data up into other hosting. However, a lot of people are just doing this as a bulk lift and shift, and that's adopting problems they've already got and moving them into a new environment where they have actually slightly less control. So what's really important to understand is how you can actually try and control that data and actually get it into a decent place before you move it. So your shared folders where you might have data that's too open access or sensitivities in the wrong type for that environment, well, we need to be able to move that. So Secure Identity DLP is not just a DLP solution, it's a full data discovery, classification and governance solution as well. So what we can help you do is when you start these projects, we can scan your environments, your endpoints, your file servers, your emails, and we can actually find where that sensitive data is in the wrong places or where it's stale. So we can find GDPR data that hasn't been touched for 6 months, which under GDPR regulations you shouldn't really be holding anymore. If you're not actively processing data, you shouldn't be holding it. Or we can find credit cards which have been leaked into a shared folder because someone's moved a document without thinking, and it really should be in a more secure folder. By getting your house in order, you can actually minimise the amount of cloud storage you need to use. By minimising that data before you move it, you're going to make your cloud environment cheaper, and you're not going to inherit your old problems. You're going to move into a new environment with an actual proper structure, a proper security idea. Your data retention and lifecycle policy can actually be implemented properly. It's over time, organic changes will happen, but by continuing to use data discovery and classification and remediation tools, you can stop that problem getting worse again. So when you're thinking of a cloud strategy, we'd really recommend you start thinking before you move that. Get your data in order, get your house in order, get things where they're supposed to be, don't take those old problems with you, and then keep the tools in place to actually protect that data from going out of control again. And you'll find your security posture increases greatly.